Hey there, investors! Have you been keeping an eye on the global manufacturing landscape? If not, it's time to focus your attention on India. Yes, you heard that right. India is poised to become the next big manufacturing hub in the world. Why India, you ask? Let's dive into it. First off, the numbers speak for themselves. India's manufacturing sector is projected to grow at an annual rate of 12 to 14% over the next 5 years. That's huge. Major global corporations are already setting up shop here, from electronics to automotive giants. Now let's talk about the Make in India initiative. Launched in 2014, this initiative aims to transform India into a global manufacturing powerhouse. With policies that favor foreign investments, it's no wonder companies are flocking to India. And the locations? Well, India offers a diverse range of manufacturing hubs. Take Bengaluru, for example. Known as the Silicon Valley of India, it's a tech paradise. Then there's Chennai, an automotive manufacturing giant. Ahmedabad and Surat are leading in textiles, while Pune is a hub for engineering goods. But it's not just about the big cities. Smaller towns and rural areas are also stepping up. Thanks to improved infrastructure and connectivity, these areas are now viable options for setting up manufacturing units. Speaking of infrastructure, India is investing heavily in this area. From highways to dedicated freight corridors, the government is ensuring seamless logistics and transportation. This means reduced costs and increased efficiency for manufacturers. Another key factor? The workforce. India boasts a young and dynamic workforce that's skilled and ready to take on the challenges of modern manufacturing. Plus, with numerous skill development programs, the talent pool is only getting stronger. Let's not forget technology. India is rapidly adopting Industry 4.0 technologies. Automation, IoT, and AI are being integrated into manufacturing processes, making them smarter and more efficient. And then there's the cost advantage. India offers competitive labor costs and a favorable exchange rate, making it an attractive destination for manufacturing. Plus, the government's tax incentives and subsidies further sweeten the deal. Environmental sustainability is also on the agenda. India is pushing for green manufacturing practices with a focus on renewable energy and waste management. This is not just good for the planet, but also for businesses aiming for sustainable growth. In summary, India's strategic policies, diverse locations, robust infrastructure, skilled workforce, technological advancements, and cost advantages make it the future of manufacturing. So, if you're an investor looking for the next big opportunity, it's time to look at India. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Until next time, happy investing.